So yeah guys, today we're going to make Brussels sprouts with bacon and then also with cooked potatoes. So first, yeah, just peel the potatoes, chop them in cubes, wash them, and then yeah, boil them. So yeah, after you slashed and dashed the potatoes, you need to wash them. So most of the starches will be gone, otherwise, yeah, it just boils over. And then add some fresh water and put in a pinch of salt. So once that's done, we'll start with the Brussels sprouts. It's fairly easily, you just cut off like the back part, take any bad leaves off of it, and then just in the back make like an incision like that, like a cross, and that's it. So now for the whole bag. So yeah, once the sprouts are cleaned, just dunk them in water, give them some salt, and then that should be it for that. We also still have the onion. We will cut that now so we can add it later before the bacon. Once the Brussels sprouts are now cooking, then I will put on the potatoes and we'll start at our base with the bacon and the onions. Like the preparation, it's usually about like 30 minutes. So, and then preparing this maybe 15 to 20 minutes. So it's not a difficult dish, but it's delicious. Most people, they don't like Brussels sprouts. It's maybe because they overcook them and then they got a really like bitter taste, so I don't like them that either, like that. So in this way it's delicious, and the Brussels sprouts, there's a little bite at it, because if you overcook them, then they will just be mushy, and that's not good. So yeah, adding that small onion. What I usually tend to do is, like, when I remove the Brussels sprouts, I hold them underneath cold water, just as a quick rinse, because then also they don't stay cooking afterwards, so they won't get as mushy than if you don't do it, because otherwise they'll keep cooking even when you get them out of the water. So yeah, when the onion is somewhat sauteed, just pour all the bacon in it. Yeah, just all about timing, guys. So just make sure your bacon isn't too overcooked. And yeah, just add in your Brussels sprouts at the right moment. And then you can put up the fire a little bit harder. But for now, we just keep it at a little bit low. Just a little bit longer. So yeah, I think the Brussels sprouts are ready to get off here. So yeah, I dumped them under cold water. So now just leave them a little bit on the fire so the water can evaporate. So the potatoes are almost boiling now. So yeah, when that's done, we'll just add all of the Brussels sprouts and we'll turn up the heat a little bit. Okay. You can add a little bit of salt, some more black pepper, and also something extra which I didn't tell you, it's like nutmeg. The secret ingredient. Now all that browning from the bacon and the onion it will cook loose now, so you have all that extra flavor. So yeah, this is almost done. So now it's just waiting for the potatoes and we can serve it up. So yeah, kain tayo.